A streaming service is doing research. In a survey of 800 customers, 272 indicated that they are happy with the streaming service. Construct a 90% confidence interval for the population proportion of people who are happy with the streaming service. Interpret the results and show all work. So n is 800, x is 272, p hat is equal to x over n, so 272 divided by 800, which is 0.34. Q hat is equal to 1 minus p hat, so 1 minus 0.34 is 0.66. Now we need to check that n times p hat and n times q hat are both greater than or equal to 5. So n times p hat is 272 and n times q hat is 528. So they are both greater than or equal to 5. So we can construct our confidence interval. So the critical value Z90, if we look at the table, is 1.645. The margin of error is equal to 1.645 times the square root of 0.34 times 0.66 divided by 800, and that's equal to 0.028. So now we can construct our confidence interval. So we have to subtract and add the margin of error from p hat. So p is between 0.34 minus 0.028 and 0.34 plus 0.028. So p is between 0.312 and 0.368. Now for the conclusion, we are going to convert these to percentages. So we need to move the decimal place 2 places to the right. So with 90% confidence, we can say that the true population proportion of people who are happy with the streaming service is between 31.2% and 36.8%.